So now, before diving deep into the Amazon campaigns and learning about like targeting campaigns, keywords, like many things, let me briefly introduce about what the keyword. Like you must have listened this word keyword search term a lot, so you must have the understanding of what the keyword and search term is, and what is the difference between both of them. These both are different. Actually, a lot. There is a lot of difference between both of these terms, and you must have the knowledge of what these terms basically means and how are they different from each other. And both of them has that different and individual importance. So now, what the keyword is. So keyword refers to what you as a seller bid in your ad campaigns. So like keywords are the terms that you manually add in the campaigns or ad groups to target in campaigns. So for example, yoga mat is a keyword, and eco-friendly mat is a keyword that you have added in your campaign, and they act as a trigger for your ads to show. Okay, so this is what the keyword is. Now, what the search term is? So search term refers to any search query the customer types in the Amazon. This is the exact word or phrase that customer actually type in your search bar, in the search bar. So for example, non-slip yoga mat for beginners. It is the search term. Search term reveals the user intent and the real buying behavior. This is the search term, or this is something that customer is typing for our product. I'm using the keyword yoga mat for my product, but the customer is typing non-slip yoga mat for beginners. So this one is the search term that the customer is targeting, and these are the keywords that we have added manually in our campaigns. Now, what the key insight is? The key insight is your campaigns may target one keyword. So, my campaign may have one keyword, but it can trigger dozens of search terms. So, the goal of ads is to find the exact search terms that the shoppers are searching for, and then use that search term in manual campaigns to laser target those and get more and more new search terms. So, that's how we get a lot of search term from the keywords that we have added in our campaign. So regularly checking search term reports we should regularly check our search term reports to identify the converting phrases and move them to the exact campaign, as well as phrase campaigns also, and also add poor ones as negative. Now what the negative means I will tell you later, in the upcoming modules. But this is how the search term and the keywords are differ from each other, and that's how they work. Also, it is a never ending goldmine, where you can say that is a never ending goldmine process to keep finding more and more keywords. Like how we extract some keyword, we find some keyword through various software that I will be talking about later in upcoming modules. We find those keyword, we extract those keyword from our competitors and many more places, and from there we get a lot of search term. As I already told you, with the help of us little keywords, we find a dozens of search term. So with the help of keywords, we find search term, and with these search term we test these search term in our manual campaigns as keywords, and then we from there we again get new search term, and then from these search term we again test these search term in the manual campaigns as keywords. So it is a never ending process that we have to regularly do for our campaigns or our brand to scale. So it is a process, like we have to launch, we have to then expand our campaign, we then have to analyze the campaign, we have to launch more and then launch more. So it is a never ending process. It is a process that never ends, and this process only helps us to scale our brand.